Hi, I'm Brandy. This is Hound Dog Hollow, and today we're going to be unboxing The Witch's Bounty for April 2022. This box was gifted to me, but the opinions are my own, and I'm so excited to get a peek at what's inside. Oh, so pretty. A Visionary Void. Look at this art. This art is just divine. All right, let's see what we got here. All right, let's get our candle. Ooh, my goodness. Tried so hard not to rip it, and here I go. We've got a lovely, lovely, beautiful blue. Vanilla Skies. Sad movie, but yummy smell. We've got a beautiful gray cord. I'm not sure what this stone is, but it's interesting. Insight Within. Smells almost like a musky perfume and maybe some honey. I don't know. Smells good. All right, let me get rid of these dilly bobs. Get stuff out of the way so we can open our beautiful item. All right, let's see what we got here. Oh, wow. So beautiful. Kyanite and lapis lazuli. That is lovely. Lovely, lovely. Okay, let's read about it. As we continue to refine our practices and explore new energies, we inevitably sharpen our ability to use our intuition and vision more effectively. This can refer to reading energies, capturing glimpses of future occurrences, or starting to truly feel what is happening on a deeper level around us. Our intuition also relates to understanding what our inner self may need at any given time. This allows us to foster ourselves on a deeper and more meaningful level. One of the most core values we can credit our craft for is in the ability to refine our psychic sight and ethereal sense. Vision working is an absolutely beneficial skill to have when working with others, attracting new ideals, cultivating understanding, and creating elements of magic in our lives. This very unique and special collection resonates so deeply with us as we hold these teachings so close to our daily practice. Kyanite and lapis lazuli Seed of Life pendant. Wow. Half of the pendant contains the Seed of Life sacred geometry design and lapis lazuli on the other. Sacred geometry is simply represented as the mathematical and geometric shapes that are found throughout nature. You will often find these designs included within sacred sites around the world. Beautiful. Just lovely. Insight Within Magical Anointing Oil. And it has chamomile, ylang ylang, lavender, and clary sage with blue lotus, jasmine, and chamomile herbs. Very yum. Vanilla Skies Ritual Incense Sticks. Endless Cosmos Hand-Rolled Spell Candle. A Rough Sapphire. Wow. Wow. A lapis lazuli Goddess Book of Shadows artwork. So beautiful. Just, wow. Absolutely lovely. This box is always like a visual delight, a visual treat, and so beautiful always to look at. And so unique. I've never seen anything like this before. I mean, most almost every single pendant that I've seen in this box has been absolutely original. So that is my unboxing for this. As always, please like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to talking with you soon.